So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video, I will tell you how you guys can use Google Tasks. So for this, simply go to Play Store. We will download Google Tasks for missiles for Google Tasks. Once I search for that here, you guys will simply click on the second app, Google Tasks, we simply click on Install. Now click on OK. Now you would wait for some seconds. Once is installed, I would simply click on Open. Now here you guys will see that type of interface. You simply click on that arrow. Now click on Gartic. Now below. Here you guys can see My Task New List. You simply click on New Lists. Here you guys can add title of your task, for example, my task name was TK. After that I will click on Done. Once I click on Done here, I will simply click on that plus icon. Now I can add another task. Also I can add time etc. For example, my task was KMD. I would simply select the time, date. So let's do that. After that, we can click on Done. Now I will click on Save. On this sheet, my that task will be saved, and once the day and time comes, it will remind to me. That's how you guys can do that. Also give permission. For example, you can go to settings. I will simply click on turn on. So once my task time was reached, it will send me last etc. So that's how you guys can use Google Tasks. Thanks for watching.